Hello and welcome. I'm Kate.
And I'm Michael. Today we have 100 essential English phrases for you.
Listen to each phrase, then repeat it out loud. Ready? Let's go.
Simple English daily. Hey, come and learn a little every day.
Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Good.
Morning.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good night. Good night.
How are you? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Michael. My name is Michael.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. I'm from Australia.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, a little. Yes, a little.
Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly.
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
No problem. No problem.
Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please?
Of course. Of course.
What time is it? What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock.
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
It's over there. It's over there.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please?
I would like a coffee, please. I would like a coffee, please.
How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
That's too expensive. That's too expensive.
Do you have a cheaper one? Do you have a cheaper one?
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card?
Keep the change. Keep the change.
Where is the train station? Where is the train station?
How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport?
Turn left. Turn left.
Turn right. Turn right.
Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead.
It's not far from here. It's not far from here.
I need a taxi, please. I need a taxi, please.
Stop here, please. Stop here, please.
I have a reservation. I have a reservation.
I'm lost. I'm lost.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
I'm happy. I'm happy.
I'm sad. I'm sad.
I'm excited. I'm excited.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
I'm bored. I'm bored.
I feel great. I feel great.
I don't feel well. I don't feel well.
I need a doctor. I need a doctor.
I have a headache. I have a headache.
What do you do for work? What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher.
I work in an office. I work in an office.
I'm a student. I'm a student.
I study English every day. I study English every day.
Can we have a meeting? Can we have a meeting?
I have a question. I have a question.
Let me check. Let me check.
I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you.
Good job. Good job.
I like this. I like this.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
This is delicious. This is delicious.
That's interesting. That's interesting.
I agree with you. I agree with you.
I don't agree. I don't agree.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Let me think about it. Let me think about it.
What do you think? What do you think?
I love my family. I love my family.
I have 2 brothers. I have 2 brothers.
She is my best friend. She is my best friend.
He is very kind. He is very kind.
We go to the park on weekends. We go to the park on weekends.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I have breakfast every morning. I have breakfast every morning.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I love learning English. I love learning English. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day.
The weather is great today. The weather is great today.
It is raining outside. It is raining outside.
Don't give up. Don't give up.
You can do it. You can do it.
Keep going. Keep going.
I believe in you. I believe in you.
See you tomorrow. See ya tomorrow.
Have a great day. Have a great day.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
100 phrases. You did it. That is incredible.
Well done. Now go back and repeat any phrases you found difficult.
The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more.
Leave a comment below with your favorite phrase from today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Simple English daily. Hey! Learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and stay.